All packed up, mostly. The humidity's so bad, my lens is fogging up. That looks like a nice store. Here like a nightlight. That's not me bouncing back.
Someone is.
Oh, this has been fun.
This is terrible.
It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no.
I mean, this airport is still nice.
Yeah.
It's just not as nice as the Jewel.
Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how. It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. So insane, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up.
So we made it to our hotel room, just. Our taxi driver was a one-eyed maniac who drove like a maniac in and outside of cars, about 20-30 kilometers over the speed limit, and he tried to overcharge us. But we got here. Hotel's really nice, seems to be in a pretty good location. Very, very different to Singapore already. You can see which one has all the money and which one doesn't. Been saying that we're in like the newer parts of town, so the buildings here look alright. It's just a little bit seedier. So we're probably going to go out and explore a little bit later, just locally. We've got a tour guide tomorrow to show us around. His name is Rex. Very excited to meet him. And hopefully we can just sort of get the lay of the lands and the swing of things, so we don't get ripped off all the time. But we haven't yet. Yeah. So we don't think. We don't know. We don't know what's happening here. Short little trip out to dinner took a bit of a turn. Turns out we've done 18,000 steps today, which is pretty impressive considering most of it was at an airport. But initial impressions of Bangkok is I kind of actually really like it, given it's not anywhere near as safe as Singapore, and you can tell that immediately. But I think that's why it's a bit more fun. It's got more character, I feel. Lucy doesn't like it as much. I don't know. Anyway, we haven't really seen it. We've only seen one area. But it is stinky. Yeah. Got some stinky streets. Got a tour tomorrow, so we'll see a bit more of it and get a feel for it then. But yeah, until then, see ya.